Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up our ev.com captioning account for all. Visit our ev.com in your web browser. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password that you will remember. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Read and agree to the terms of service by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from our ev.com. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the ev.com website. Log in using your newly created account credentials. Navigate to the captioning section from the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the pricing and service details. Click on the Upload Files button to begin adding your video content. Select the video files from your device that you want to transcribe. Choose the appropriate options for captioning, such as the turnaround time. Submit your files by clicking on the Order button. Monitor the progress of your captioning order through your dashboard. Once completed, download your captions in your preferred format. Review the captions to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. You are now ready to use our ev.com for your captioning needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.